Well, y'all know me. Y'all know that I run my tires and I squeeze every last little drop out of them. This one's was concerning me for a while because I'm not seeing any treads on the left-hand side. So I went ahead and ordered this tire, thinking that my rear tire was just fine, and that would be, I'd have another, I don't know, 500-600 miles out of those. And I checked them the other day when my tire came in, and I was like, oh yeah, and I spun it just a little bit. When I oiled my chain, I went, uh-oh. You see these little guys right here? Sometimes it's not that easy to see. Sometimes it's just you got flat black tire and then you got a different color right in the middle. Anytime you see that different color in the middle, that's a really good sign that you're about to go through to the belt. And I'll show you right here. If I get this thing to point, focus. I don't know if you can see the belts in there, but yeah, I took it out. Once I saw the discoloration, I thought, okay, well, I got maybe one more ride out of this thing. I don't think I went 50 miles and I started showing belts. So that shows you how fast this thing falls apart once that center line gets discolored. So just a little bit of a tip from the guy that wears his tires out. Y'all might remember my trip up to Tellico where both sides of my tires, I was having so much fun in the twisties that both sides of my tires look worse than that. I showed up with belts in Memphis, showed up with belts showing on both sides of the tire. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I was taking it real easy on that trip.